Pretty intense testimony today at the Drew Peterson murder trial. WGN's Marcella Raymond is live in Joliet with the day's recap. Marcella.
Hi, Lourdes. After a few strong days for prosecutors, the defense team insists it's not losing its confidence. Prosecutors walked in the courthouse this morning with a tub of evidence shortly before a key witness took the stand. Months before Kathleen Savio died in her bathtub in 2004, Drew Peterson allegedly asked a friend to find a hitman to kill her. Jeffrey Pachter testified today, saying in November of 2003, quote, he, Drew Peterson, asked me if I could find someone to take care of his third wife. Pachter said Peterson, a former police sergeant, asked him while they were doing a ride-along in Peterson's Bolingbrook police car, and that he would pay $25,000 for it. Quote, this is something you will take to your grave, Peterson allegedly told him. Peterson said if Pachter found someone, let him know he wanted to be out of the country or even at Great America during that time. Pachter told jurors, quote, he wanted to make sure he had an alibi. He held up well under a fiery cross-examination. His answers were consistent and firm. The jury, though, may question Pachter's credibility. At 18, he was convicted of a misdemeanor sex crime involving a 15-year-old girl. He was also having financial trouble at the time of Peterson's offer. Pachter owed the IRS $35,000 and owed a bookie $1,000. Defense attorneys say he made up the whole story.
What's the evidence? What's the evidence?
Did he do anything?
No. Does he say I need the money? I hear Drew. I go to his house, knock on the door. Here, where's my money? I want to get started. No, nothing.
Drew's not going to hire Mother Teresa to kill his wife. I mean, he's going to go to someone with some kind of a past.
It's been a positive week for prosecutors who say they plan to rest by Friday.
I believe this was a very strong day for us, and we look forward to a similar day tomorrow.
Prosecutors are hoping to get two crucial witnesses on the stand in the next 2 days. Harry Smith has already been bumped twice. He was Kathleen Savio's divorce attorney. He has testimony about how Savio told him she was afraid of her husband and thought he might hurt her. But Smith also knows something that could call into question Savio's credibility, and the prosecution may not want the jury to hear that.
There's legal issues involved there that I can't speak about.
The Peterson defense team says its case will last more than a day and less than a week. In press conferences in recent days, they have appeared less cocky.
We have not changed our position at all. We just have acted in a more reserved and refined manner.
That's hard to believe. They say they toned it down because they've been criticized by the media. As for that second witness this week, Stacey Peterson's pastor, Neil Shorey, who will testify that Stacey told him that she believed that Drew killed Kathleen Savio. Defense, of course, has filed a motion to bar that testimony. I'm live in Joliet. Marcella Raymond, WGN News.